Hello students, good evening everybody. In definite integration, first property is definite integration is independent of variable. It depends on only limits. It does not depend on variable. Integral a to b f of x dx or integral a to b f of t dt or integral a to b f of s ds. Anything we can write. Second property, integral a to b f of x dx equal to, if you just interchange the limits, a to b, if you write b to a, that symbol we have to change. Integration symbol will be changing. Okay. So third property says, so in the, you suppose a less than c less than b, one value I am taking between a and b, then integral a to b f of x dx can be splitted like this. We can split the integration like this. In between we have c, so integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. We can split the integration also. Between one value I am taking a less than c less than b, then integral a to b f of x dx equal to integral a to c f of x dx plus integral c to b f of x dx. For example, integral minus 2 to 0 mod x dx. We look at these ones. Minus 2 to 2 I am taking. In between minus 2 to 2 I will take 0. Minus 2 to 0 mod x dx plus 0 to 2 mod x dx. We can split like this. Okay. In minus 2 to 0, mod x will be minus x. Modulus x definition you must remember. Mod x equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0. So in between minus 2 to 0, mod x will be minus x, and 0 to 2 we will be getting mod x equal to positive. X is greater than 0, 0 above values, so x. Here 0 below values we have to take, so mod x will be minus x. So integral minus 2 to 0, in the place of mod x we have to write minus x dx plus integral 0 to 2 x dx. So minus x integration is x square by 2, upper limit and lower limit. This also x square by 2, upper limit minus lower limit. We have to write here upper limit is 0 minus lower limit minus 2 whole square means 4 plus 1 by 2 times 4. Here minus into minus plus 2 2s are 2 2s are. So answer is 4. Therefore integral minus 2 to 2 mod x dx equal to 4. So we can split the integration. Clear? We can split the integration like this. Clear? So let us continue. This is the third property. Okay?